How to add an internship on LinkedIn. Hey everybody, welcome to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process of how you can add your internship in your LinkedIn account. So without any further ado, let us get started. Head over to your LinkedIn application from your device and make sure that you are logged into your specific account. Now tap onto your profile icon, which is on your left top corner. From here, tap on View Profile. Scroll below, and under Experience, you will see plus icon and a pencil icon. Now tap onto the plus icon, tap on Add Position. Just simply type in any title that you would like, and under Employment Type, tap on Please Select, and here tap on Internship. Scroll below and type in the name of the company. Once done, type in the location if you would like. And if you are currently working in this role, check the box that says I'm currently working in this role. If not, left the box unchecked and type in your start date, your end date, and your job description. If you would like to add skills to your job, tap on Add Skill. Simply type in the skills that you would like to add and tap onto Done on your right corner. Once you do so, go ahead and tap on to Save. And once it's done, this will be displayed on your profile. And that is how you can do it. That wraps up today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then all you have to do is comment down below and we will make a video on that topic. In the meantime, do like this video and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell icon to never miss an update from us. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in our next upload.